Moving on to AUDUSD and NZDUSD, starting off with AU on the daily time frame, we can see we've got our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this low over here, which is the main point of liquidity within this overall impulse. So now I'm just waiting to see if we can get some higher prices. We haven't yet had the confirmation, and following a bullish FOMC for the dollar yesterday, we have seen some price action towards the downside. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, this is where we start to see the problem with our daily bias. We've got our break of structuring towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. We did say yesterday that we broke this area of supply, creating this area of demand. However, we haven't quite seen a reaction from this low. And if we again move down onto the 1-hour time frame, we've had our break of structuring towards the downside, swing high, swing low. We had the internal breakdown here, the internal break up here. We've liquidated these lows. We want to wait until we see this supply zone break to make sure it's not going to push price further down. And then we will look for longs from this area of demand. Ultimately, these highs here are my immediate target, but following the daily bias, we could be ready to start targeting the week swing high. If we move on to NZD USD on the daily time frame, we can see we've got our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We liquidated this low over here before seeing that bullish reversal in towards the upside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, similar to AU, we are currently swing bearish. We've had our break of structuring towards the downside here. So this is my current swing range. What I was looking for yesterday is after we broke this area of supply, we then created this area of demand, which has now broken as a result of the FOMC. So right now, this buy before the sell is what's in control, but there is nothing too clear here. The ultimate high would be this one, but I'm just not looking to long NU. I think AU right now looks like the better short-term long, but I do expect soon, once we break this high, to have demand back in control where we can start looking for higher prices.